Like and subscribe, The Facts Drone.
Ever wondered how much your favorite comedians are worth? We're diving into the financial heights of stand-up legends like Adam Sandler, Kevin Hart, Ellen DeGeneres, and more. Let's get into it. First up, Adam Sandler. This Hollywood comedy king didn't have it easy. Starting at just 21 on The Cosby Show, his debut movie, Going Overboard, flopped, pushing him back to comedy clubs. But then SNL happened. Sandler's now worth $440 million, pulling in $20 million per movie and producing blockbuster Netflix films. Next, we have Jay Leno. This comedy veteran has been at it for 48 years. From small sitcom roles to The Tonight Show, where he reigned for 22 years. Leno's comedic genius earned him up to $30 million annually at his peak. With over 4,600 episodes and countless appearances, his net worth stands at a hefty $450 million. Kevin Hart, the modern comedy superstar, had a rough start with disastrous early gigs. But his persistence paid off. Hart's comedy tours and hit movies like Jumanji, The Next Level, have skyrocketed his net worth to $450 million. His production company, Heartbeat Productions, keeps the money rolling in. Ellen DeGeneres, beloved talk show host and stand-up comedian, faced early career struggles. But the Ellen DeGeneres Show turned it all around, earning her $50 million a year. Despite ending her show amid controversy, Ellen's diverse ventures have kept her net worth at a solid $450 million. Byron Allen, from stand-up prodigy to media mogul, began at 14 and made history on The Tonight Show. Now, his Allen Media Group boasts 6 HD channels, and he's eyeing major acquisitions like Paramount Global. Allen's net worth? A stunning $735 million. Finally, the only billionaire, comedian Jerry Seinfeld. After years of grinding, he co-created Seinfeld, a show that's still making millions. Seinfeld's earnings from syndication deals alone have brought in over $400 million. Beyond Seinfeld, he has earned more than $100 million from tours, and his production company has significantly boosted his wealth, and his net worth soars to $1.1 billion. From club stages to media empires, these comedians have turned laughter into serious cash.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for daily updates.